And our best in musicality fifth placer is Banawan Cultural Group of Brgy Guadalupe. Any request Brgy Captain of Brgy Guadalupe to please receive your award. Our fourth placer.
The fourth placer will receive a plaque and 15,000 pesos cash prize.
And our fourth placer is Lumad Basakanon of Brgy Tisa, San Nicolas. Placer.
The third placer will receive a plaque and 20,000 pesos cash prize.
Before we receive any requests, Brgy Captain or let's have of course a representative of Lumad Basakanon. Once again, may we request tanan natong mga barangay captains of our respective contingents and their choreographers to please stand by at the side of the stage in case your contingent wins in the awards tonight. Once again, among kiawhag ang atong mga barangay captains o mga choreographers to please stand by at the side of the stage. Daghang salamat. Alright, here we go. Best in musicality, third placer is Abellana National School. May we request and representative the school principal? There they are. Sir Walter Pipino, congratulations. We move on with our second placer.
The second placer will receive a plaque and 30,000 pesos cash prize.
And our best in musicality second placer is Humpong Masidlamon, the home of the Showdown Festival sa Tisa. Tisa. Congratulations to our second placer, Brgy Tisa. With the Barangay Captain, Brgy Tisa, Juan Bernardo Ada Capiña. Right, here we go. We move on with our best musicality first placer.
The first placer will receive a plaque and 50,000 pesos cash prize.
And our first placer is Brgy Labangon of Brgy Labangon. May we request Barangay Captain Derek Yap. Please receive the award. Or choreographer of Brgy Labangon. Or any representative SK Chairman, Kim Kyle Buendia. Alright, congratulations to our best in musicality first placer, Brgy Labangon of Barangay Labangon. Next, we award our best in costume.
The best in costume will receive a plaque and 50,000 pesos cash prize.
And our best in costume goes to Lumad Basakanon of Brgy Basak, San Nicolas. May we request Barangay Captain Honorable Norman Navarro. Please join us on stage. Of course, kauban si atong SK Chairman Jesse Apia. Congratulations sa atong best in costume, Lumad Basakanon of Barangay Basak, San Nicolas. Karon mga igala, we move on with our street dancing competition. And we start with our third placer.
The third placer will receive a plaque and 20,000 pesos cash prize.
In our street dancing competition, third placer is Musicality, the home of the Showdown Festival, sa Tisa at Brgy Tisa, with their barangay captain, Honorable Fernando Ana Lapina. SK Chairman, Honorable Brgy SRP Ladaga. Next, our street dancing competition second placer.
The second placer will receive a plaque and 30,000 pesos cash prize.
And our second place goes to Brgy Labangon of Brgy Labangon, with the barangay captain Honorable Derek. Yeah. Congratulations sa ako ang street dancing second placer, Brgy Labangon o Barangay Labangon. Karon ang atong street dancing grand champion.
The grand champion will receive a plaque and 55,000 pesos cash prize.
And our street dancing grand champion is Lumad Basakanon of Barangay Basak, San Nicolas. With Barangay Captain Honorable Norman Navarro. Congratulations, Lumad Basakanon, our street dancing grand champion. All right, here we go. It's time to announce our winners. Alam sa ato ang ritual showdown. And we begin with our sixth placer.
The sixth placer will receive a plaque and 150,000 pesos cash prize.
And our sixth placer is Abellana National School. Congratulations, our sixth placer, Abellana National School. Magpakahigala, alam sa ito ang top 5 winners for our ritual showdown. Their respective choreographers will have the same ranking as well. Alright, here we go. We move on with our ritual showdown fifth placer.
The fifth placer will receive a plaque and 200,000 pesos cash prize.
And our fifth placer is Bagong Tribo.
The fourth placer will receive a plaque and 250,000 pesos cash prize.
And our fourth placer is Banawan Cultural Group of Brgy Guadalupe with the Barangay Captain Honorable Apple Ross Enriquez. With our choreographer, Honorable Cliff Yunsan Rafuya. Congratulations, and next, our third placer.
The third placer will receive a plaque and 350,000 pesos cash prize.
In our ritual showdown, third placer is Brgy Labangon of Brgy Labangon with their Barangay Captain, Honorable Delegate, Choreographer, George Nazareno Villamor.
and 450,000 pesos cash prize.
And our second placer is Hukbong Masiglagan! Home of the Showdown Western sa Tisa! Ang Barangay Tisa! Ang Barangay Captain! Honorable Bernardo Ada Lapilla! SK Chairman! Honorable Brizelle SRP Sanadaga! Choreographer! Rolando Montal Jr. Congratulations! Here we go! Our virtual showdown grand champion!
The grand champion will receive a plaque and 5